everyone. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you guys. Right now, I am doing an unboxing. I had this package about maybe 3 weeks. I had it for about 3 weeks, and I'm just now showing it to you guys. So, this is an Eclipse Vase that I've ordered off of Z Gallery. You can order off of Amazon, but it's too pricey. I think it's $286.47 off of Amazon. But if you go on Z Gallery, you probably can get it for $186, I believe, and some change. So it was cheaper than this price. It was cheaper than $186 years ago. So they kind of like going up on their prices. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Z Gallery is going out of business. So if so, list down below if it's true that they're going out of business. So they're trying to get rid of all their home decor or whatever items that they sell on Z Gallery. They have a sale on all of their items. So be sure to go over and check out Z Gallery. Now, I bought this product with my own money. They did not send me this vase to do a review for them. So I paid with my own money, and I'm just personally doing a review for you guys, just to show you all how beautiful this vase is. I had to get it. So they doubled packaged this vase. It is double boxed, and they made sure that it is packaged well because it is glass. Now, this vase is heavy, so continue to watch. And I am going to give a description of this vase. Now, you can use this vase for anything you want to use this vase for. You can put anything in it that you want to put in this vase. You can add artificial flowers. You can add real flowers. You can add some type of figurines within the vase. However you want to decorate this vase, you can. Now, the description says just add water. The Eclipse Vase isn't just for looks. It's fully functional, so you can add water and real flowers too, just as I mentioned before. The stellar combination of smooth glass and a thin elliptical shape gives a vase a futuristic sense of style and will provide you with countless decorative possibilities. Z Gallery exclusive. Now the detail and dimension, it is glass. Just add water to this vase. It isn't just for looks. It's fully functional, so you can add water and real flowers too. Now this vase is 24 inches wide by 20 inches high. It is 19.5 pounds and the opening is 11 inches and it is supported. Other information about this vase, you can clean it with a damp cloth. So let's go ahead and style this vase and decorate this mirror and console table. First, I'm going to wipe my mirror clean, and you guys know I love the Sprayway glass cleaner. Now, some of the items I am going to show you in this video is items that I've gotten from the at-home store. I got from the bargain bin. I got from Goodwill. I got from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and I believe that's all that I'm going to show you in this video about the items. So stay tuned and I will come back to you at the end. I did remove some of the snow out of the vase because my deer was sitting up a little higher. So I did, remove it, and now it is sitting lower with the horn just at the opening. So this is my finished results, y'all. And I think it looks pretty nice. I got the wreath where I want it, right there at the mirror. And it does have the little, I'm not going to say cranberries because somebody did correct me on it, but I just forgot, what they're called. And I placed one right there in the vase with the white feather looking flowers. Never throw away your flowers because you never know when you may need them again. So I'm showing you my vases, and there are the little berries there at the base of the vase. And there are my DIY silver glitter deers. And I put the faux feather around their necks. And I think they look very cute. So I think I did a good job. Yes, I think I did a good job. And I am loving it. And plus I did a set for my mother. I did 2 of the sitting deers and I did 1 of the standing ones. So she got silver ones as well. So y'all, this is it. Just let me know down below if you like them. And if you do, please just let me know. The next time when you see this area here, I will have something underneath this console table. I'm in the process of trying to make it now. So that will be another DIY coming your way. So stay tuned for that. So y'all just stay tuned for that video. So I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. Come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Make sure you hit the notification bell button and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.